Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can do Instagram Recap 2022 Reel Trend. So let us start. To do this trend, first open Instagram. Now first click on your profile and then click on plus icon and go to Reel. Now here you will find template option after Reel. Click on it. Now here you will find the 4 templates of Recap 2022. Choose any one from the given template according to your liking. Click on the template you like. Now after this, click on Add Media and add the required photos or videos according to template. Now after adding your clips, click on Next. Now, if you want to crop the section from your video, click on it and then choose the certain part from your video. Now after adjusting your all clips, click on Next. Now your Recap 2022 is ready. Click on Next and you are ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.